Hi folks again. I have a good news too. I have now the HSS Co drill bit from Banggood in my drilling, and I have tried simple construction still, and I can work with these drill bits very well, but let's do the job with the drill. As you can see, I hope it at least chips are flying everywhere. I know my drill is not on the right speed for this small drill bit, and my setup is not the best, but I have no time and I would just test these drill bits in a rush. And as you can see, for this drill bit is simple construction still not a problem.